Every single morning, the familiar rhythm: wake, rush, sit, work, repeat. We call it life, but somewhere, deep inside, you feel it. A persistent whisper. Something's profoundly off. You weren't designed to spend 40 years simply enduring, to only truly live when you're too old, too tired to enjoy it. This isn't living. This is a program, and you've been hardwired into it. They told us the path was clear. Go to school, get the job, save diligently, then retire. They made it sound like stability, a life well lived. But they forgot to mention, the job becomes your entire identity, the endless bills, your unbreakable leash. Weekends transform from leisure into desperate escape. And those dreams, they don't just fade, they slowly, silently, decompose in your digital graveyard. This isn't stability. This is a slow, agonizing surrender. You weren't built for these walls, for these clocks. You were built for so much more. But the system, it doesn't want you to know that. A mind truly free doesn't make a compliant employee. Here's the truth they can't afford to sell you. You are not stuck. You are simply scared to move. The internet didn't just connect us. It democratized opportunity. It made true freedom profoundly possible. Yet, your old habits remain your personal prison. You now possess more leverage, more accessible tools, more raw opportunity than any generation before you. Want to write that novel? Launch a video series? Build a brand around your passion? Sell a unique skill? They're doing it. Ordinary people, not inherently smarter, not inherently luckier. They simply made a choice. They decided to start. They chose to bet on themselves instead of perpetually waiting for external permission. And you're still scanning the horizon for a sign. This is it. You don't escape the 9 to 5 by dreaming about it. You escape it by relentlessly building. No, this path won't be easy. It will be messy. You'll be working when no one else is watching. You'll confront failure and crippling self-doubt more times than you can count. But the one difference between you and everyone else is you simply won't stop. You will strategically build systems, obsessively acquire new skills, deliberately earn attention, and meticulously craft income streams that are no longer chained to your precious time. And most profound of all, you will finally take your power back. Because in that struggle, in that relentless pursuit, you'll realize the truth. The job was never the goal. Freedom, true, uncompromised freedom. That was the destination all along. Waking up at 6 a.m. to relentlessly build your own dream. That's hard. But waking up at 6 a.m. for 40 years to relentlessly build someone else's, that's also hard. Pick your poison. The choice is yours. You can remain comfortably in the loop, or you can boldly, defiantly break it. This isn't just a motivational speech. This is a direct challenge. This is a decision. Are you going to keep waiting for the right time, or are you going to make time right now? This isn't merely a new year, a new month, or even a new day. This is the first moment of your new life. No more excuses. Let's build something real.